Looking to swap to drive-by-wire but stuck with no good pedal solutions? Most so-called universal pedals are overpriced or just a nightmare to fit with complicated multi-level mounting points. What's up guys, Stefan Etta here from IEE Limited in New Zealand and here to talk to you today about our universal pedal solution. Our universal pedal is different. Yes, it still needs some fabrication, brackets, bending or adapting rods, but that's by design. Other pedals try to offer endless adjustability, yet still don't get your pedal pad back into the correct factory location. Ours keeps it simple, cost effective and adaptable. You can create a bracket, which you can basically just mount right here. You can shift this pedal side to side wherever you need it, up and down on the firewall. You can then cut off the original pad that comes on the universal pedal. You could even bend and adapt this pedal rod to suit, or you can come up with your own custom pedal rod and then weld that in place like so. Here we have an example of one of our already adapted pedals which we use for the R32, R33, R34, Silvias, Laurels, Cefiros, a bunch of different Nissan chassis, and these are 3D metal printed rods, and that's a nice custom solution if you're looking for something more bolt-in. So once you've put that time in, you've got a rock solid solution that works every time. Without a simple universal option, you're stuck buying overpriced pedals or spending way too much time adapting a more complicated pedal. That means wasted time, wasted money, and a pedal that still doesn't feel the way it should. It's strong, reliable, and proven to work. This pedal is built from stamped steel with a shaped rod, dual return springs, and high quality plastic bushings, and a Japanese Aisan 6-pin accelerator pedal position sensor, the same brand used by major manufacturers. It feels like a factory cable throttle and is fully adaptable. Drill it, bend it, or weld on your factory pedal rod. Simple as that. We've already confirmed these pedals bolt straight into a range of brands like Nissan S and R chassis, Toyota, and many more. So in many cases, only minor work is required to get the pedal rod into the right spot. For workshops, we even offer 3D scanning and custom metal 3D printed ends like we showed you before for specific models, so you can have a repeatable bolt-in solution. T's and C's apply, of course. We need minimum quantities to cover development costs. Every install is different, but our pedal makes the job easier because it mounts from a single plane with 2 bolt holes. No multi-level guesswork, no fiddling with complicated brackets, just a simple, adaptable starting point that saves you hours compared to other options. And the best part, it costs a fraction of the so-called universal pedals on the market. We've sold hundreds of these pedals worldwide with 0 failures or returns. Builders, workshops, DIY enthusiasts use them every day. Check out the customer carousel on our website for real-world installs and workshop setups. Upgrade your build today. Click the link below to grab your universal drive-by-wire pedal, a simple, reliable, factory feel solution that saves time and money on your conversion. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and we'll be bringing you more content.